Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe this channel and share it with your friends as well. Without any further ado, let's quickly move on to the video and let's see what we'll discuss in this video. So in this video, I'll share another HR interview experience of Wipro NLTH 2021. This interview was scheduled on 16th of April 2021. So this interview was scheduled on 16th April 2021, that is few weeks ago. Initially, the student was asked to introduce herself. Like it goes in every interview, you are asked to introduce yourself. So be prepared with that. You will be asked to introduce yourself, all right? Then the next question was, what are your strengths and weaknesses? This is also one of the most frequently asked question in any HR round. So be prepared to face all these questions and answer it very confidently and nicely. Then the next question was, in what way are you overcoming your weaknesses? The student initially, before this question, she was asked that what are your strengths and weaknesses, and then the next question that comes in is, what are you doing to overcome your weaknesses? What actions you are taking to overcome your weaknesses? All right, so be prepared for such cross questions that you will be facing in HR round. Okay, it is a test of your presence of mind and how you answer questions in critical situations. Next question, where do you see yourself in next 5 years? This is also one of the most frequently asked questions. So be prepared for all these questions. And then the another question that was a part of this question was asked was, why do you see yourself in such position? What all traits do you have that you think you will be in that position in the next 5 years? All right. So the next question was, what if you deviate from your goals during this 5 years and want something else? Okay. So here the interviewer wants to know, are you determined or not? Are you determined to do things that you have set for yourselves? Are you determined to achieve the goals that you have set for yourselves or not? Okay. The next question was, what do you know about Wipro? So before going for any interview, be it a product based company or a service based company or a startup company, you must research about the company, all right? When was it founded? Who is the CEO? Who is the chairman? What all technologies they work on? All of those. So here the interviewer wants to know if you have done your homework or not, if you have done the research before coming for this interview or not. Okay. And the last question was, do you have any question to ask? Every interviewer will ask you this question at the end of the interview, that if the candidate has any question for the interviewer or not. So if you have any, go ahead and ask the interviewer your question. Lastly, I would like to thank Paulimi for sharing this interview experience with us. She is a fashion blogger, so do follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram ID is mentioned here. Do follow her, guys. Please do like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video as well. Share it with as much friends as you can so that it reaches more people and more people get to know about the interview experiences. I'll be sharing more such interview experiences in the coming few days. So don't forget to push the bell icon as well. And thank you for watching.